Hello, class 9th. This video is for you. Now it is about Maria Sharapova, second part, and you will be getting extra questions also. Now, introduction. Reach for the Top topic has bifurcated in two parts. Each part of the topic contains a heroic story of two young girls. The heroine in the first part is a young mountaineer Santosh Yadav, and heroine in the second part is Maria Sharapova, a tennis sensation of the world. Santosh Yadav was born in a small village. बच्चों जैसे इसमें बताया गया है कि इसमें दो स्टोरीज बताई गई हैं, पहली संतोष यादव की है और दूसरी मारिया शारापोवा की है, राइट। और फर्स्ट जो है वो माउंटेनियर है, दैट इज हु गॉट विक्ट्री ऑन माउंट एवरेस्ट, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज द टेनिस प्लेयर. Now here about Santosh Yadav. She was born in Haryana state, Joniavas village. She belonged to an agriculturist family. Her family was of the opinion of traditional values and they were adamant to keep their prevailing customs, but she rose to the highest glory by her hard efforts. In the same way, Maria Sharapova rise to the top of the tennis world with her hard efforts. She became the world's number one tennis sensation and now becomes the most glamorous sensation of the modern world. Summary. There is something disarming about Maria Sharapova, something at odds with her ready smile and glamorous attire, and at that sometimes she, like here, children wait, in her lifted her on Monday, 22nd, August 2005 to the world number one position in the women's tennis. All this happened in almost no time. However, the rapid ascent in a fiercely competitive world began 9 years before with the level of sacrifice few children would be prepared to endure. अब इसमें ये बताया गया है मारिया शारापोवा ने अपने छोटे से उम्र में ही बहुत सारी सक्सेस को गेन किया. बाय मंडे 22 अगस्त 2005 को वर्ल्ड की नंबर वन पोजीशन की वुमेन टेनिस प्लेयर बन गई, जो कि इस उम्र में बहुत कम बच्चे हैं जो इतना कुछ गेन कर पाते हैं. Little Maria had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday when she was packed off to the train in United States. That trip to Florida with her father, Yuri, launched her for the path to the success and stardom, but it also required a hard, wrenching 2 year separation from her mother, Yelena, and the latter was compelled to stay back in Siberia because of visa restrictions. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson in the life that tennis excellence would only come at a price. अब इसमें ये बताया गया है कि उसने अपनी 10 साल की उम्र की बर्थडे भी अभी सेलिब्रेट पूरी तरह से नहीं की थी, कि उसने अपना पैक करके वो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स आ गई. वो साइबेरिया दैट रहने वाली है, उसका ट्रिप जो था फ्लोरिडा में के लिए था और वो अपने फादर के साथ आई थी. उसके फादर का नाम यूरी है और उसकी मदर का नाम येलना था. क्योंकि उसको वीज़ा नहीं मिला तो उसको उसकी मदर को वहीं रुकना पड़ा. उसको अपनी मदर की बहुत याद आती थी. 9 ईयर ओल्ड थी उस समय उसकी उम्र, और उसने टेनिस के अंदर एक्सीलेंस करके दिखाया और उसको ये समझ में आ गया था कि उसको इसकी बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी. Like any number of the teenage sensation, Maria Sharapova lists fashion, singing, and dancing as her hobbies. She loves reading the novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Her fondness for sophisticated evening gowns appears at odds with her love to the pancakes with her chocolate spread and the fizzy orange drinks. Sharapova cannot be pigeonholed or categorized 11 talent. It means she was very much that is talented. Children, this is some misprinting. Unwavering desire to success and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the riches she is now reaping. वो नंबर वन दैट इज़ एनी जो टीनेज में ही उसने बहुत सारी जैसे बाकी बच्चों को शौक़ होता है, उसको भी फैशन, सिंगिंग और डांसिंग का शौक़ था. आर्थर कॉनन डॉयल की वो नॉवल पढ़ना पसंद करती थी. सोफिस्टिकेटेड लाइफ पसंद थी. इसमें इवनिंग गाउन्स वगैरह हैं, पैनकेक्स वगैरह खाना, चॉकलेट, फिजी ड्रिंक्स लेना जैसे बाकी बच्चों को पसंद होता है, उसको भी बहुत पसंद था. इसके अलावा उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा ये था कि बहुत ज़्यादा अनशेकेबल डिज़ायर थी कि दैट इज़ जिस जिस डिज़ायर ने उसको वो किसी भी सेक्रीफाइस को करने के लिए तैयार थी अपनी इच्छा को पूरी करने के लिए, और उसी के इसी गुण की वजह से वो दुनिया की नंबर वन खिलाड़ी बनी. Now, short question answers. What is something disarming about Maria Sharapova? Maria Sharapova is a girl with a smiling face and glamorous attire, but she is a determined girl who worked excessively hard to win the world number one position in women tennis. Question number two: why did Sharapova leave Siberia for the US? Answer: at the age of 9 years, Maria Sharapova left Siberia for Florida in the USA. She went there to attend a training camp for women tennis. She undertook hard training for 2 years. Her father Yuri also went with her. Question number three: at the age of 9 years, what lesson had Sharapova learned? In the USA, Maria Sharapova had to face a heart wrenching 2 year separation from her mother. This separation made her learn an important lesson that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Question number four: how was Sharapova treated by the seniors in the training camp? Answer: Maria Sharapova was just nearly 10 years old. The seniors in the training camp treated her badly. They looked her up. They asked Maria to tidy up the room and clean it. Question number five: what does Maria Sharapova say about her Russian nationality? Answer: Maria Sharapova speaks with a pounced American accent. She proudly parades her Russian nationality, clearing all doubts. She tells her blood is totally Russian. She is a Russian citizen. She will play the Olympics for Russia. Important long questions, the detailed. Now, first, write a Maria Sharapova's story on to the top. Maria Sharapova answer was born in Siberia, Russia. At the age of 9 years, she left Russia for Florida in the USA. She went there with her father Yuri. She had to spend 2 hard years in the tennis training camp. She did hard efforts in the training camp. It was a heart wrenching 2 year separation from her mother. Maria Sharapova learned an important lesson in the life that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Maria Sharapova was just for nearly 10 years old. The seniors in the training camp treated her badly. They looked her up. They asked Maria to tidy up the room and clean it. Maria Sharapova begged the ladies a single crown at Wimbledon in 2004. She attained the world number one position on Monday, 22nd August 2005. Today is a tennis sensation. Question number two: draw a comparison between Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. Answer: today, both Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova enjoys the status of a celebrity. To attain this position, they both had to work very hard in their life. Both of these girls were of strong and true determination. They had a clear vision to her life. They wanted to become something in life. They wanted to raise themselves up from the common people around them. They sacrificed and comforts and pleasure of life to achieve their aim. Both of them were able to realize their aims. They reached the world. Santosh Yadav became the only woman of the world to scale Mount Everest twice. Maria Sharapova got the fiber position in the world in women tennis. They proved that nothing is impossible before true determination and iron will. Yes, children. Now here this Maria Sharapova is over. This comparison of both, that is Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova, this comparison is very important. Let me. It's only two questions long I have given. I think some questions even I've dictated already to you. So this will help you a lot. Okay, children. Then this one in your notebook, whatever you have decided for the tuition, you can write down these answers there. Okay, now children take care, and that is, and you complete the work. Okay, now this is the last. Okay, bye children.